Good morning, Chapman students. It looks like we've got our technology issues resolved for this Monday, August 24th. Schoology was not responding to a lot of us this morning, and our week two folder didn't drop, our updates didn't drop. So it looks like it's live now, and we are able to access it. So I'm going to give you a quick run through on what we were discussing this morning. As always, as I'm sharing my screen, you can click over to our Microsoft Teams page for physical education, and I will always record our meeting in case you guys need to go back and revisit that. If you were to scroll up the page, even from last week, if we had a meeting, then you could access that meeting as you scroll back up top. Looks like we're having some issues with that refreshing. But I wanted to go over today on what we discussed in PE in brief. So make sure that you're logging in daily to Microsoft Teams. That is how we are going to be able to take attendance. So on Monday and Wednesday, make sure you're logging in live so I can take attendance. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, when you have a pre-recorded video or an assignment, I will actually be logging in and checking the analytics. So within Schoology, I can see when you guys log in, what courses that you've accessed, how long you stayed there, what you clicked on. And so that's how I take attendance on Tuesdays and Thursdays if we are not live. So make sure you're always checking in and seeing what we're doing. Also, if you have not completed your discussion post 1 or the PE questionnaire from last week, those are due. So you need to make sure that you go ahead and get those in so that you can receive your grade. On to today's topic. If you click on week two's folder, you will see a lesson 1 activity journal pop up. And what I want you guys to do is click on that folder, and then you are going to open up this folder and click the read it icon. Once you click read it, it's going to bring up a short document that's going to give you a general overview on what exercise journaling actually means and how it's beneficial for you. And so what we're going to do with this journal is we are going to track our activities throughout the week in PE, but also in your daily lives. So if we do a workout in PE and it's a short fitness round, we will be able to log that. So what I want you guys to do, I'm going to orient you to click on this PE log worksheet. Once it pops up, what I would like you to do is to go over to next to the printer tab where you have the download icon. And if that pops up, you are going to download this document to your computer. Now, what I want you to do is once you've downloaded that PE log and give it a name, save that to your file. I already have it saved, so I'm going to click cancel. And then throughout this log, at the top, just give me your student name, your email address, your telephone number. You don't have to put that. Parent or guardian, you won't have to put that either. Instructor name is me, and total activity hours is going to be completed at the end. So if you guys log down or scroll down, you're going to see this activity down at the bottom. This is one that I want you to go ahead and take out and remove. Let's see. I've got one pulled up right here. So, for instance, today, if we chose to go for a bike ride, you would put bike ride, bicycling, and tell me how many minutes that you actually did the activity. And then, let's say, for instance, on Thursday, we do a fitness circuit. In class, we do a short round of push-ups, sit-ups, and jumping jacks. You could log that as well. So at the end of the semester, well, the end of the 9 weeks in October, I'm going to get you guys to turn this in as an assignment. So it's important to make sure that you are logging your activities throughout the week. I'm not giving you a certain amount of activities that you have to do. I just want you to understand the importance